Well done, little green friends. You have learned lots of new skills through this web quest. Great work. You already knew about different kinds of shapes, and through this web quest you learned how to use the shapes to create tables and graphs. In this last step, your group will need to make your own poster. This poster will show the tables you created and a printout of your graphs. Once you have created the poster, your group will present it to the class. Each group will have slightly different tables and graphs because you were given different bags full of recyclable materials. You can make this poster really beautiful because this will be your assessment for this web quest. The green woman will mark each poster. So remember to try your absolute best and be creative with decorating your posters. Make sure you keep looking back onto the evaluation page. This page will show you how you will be marked. Good luck.